Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Tiara here, and I wanted to show you guys my BoxyCharm. So October's BoxyCharm I just got yesterday actually, and I just picked it up in my mailbox. So let's get into that. So here is my BoxyCharm. I feel like a lot of these videos aren't so like hyped up anymore, but I feel like I want to keep doing them anyways. So because I love BoxyCharm, I think it's very nice, very convenient, and like, what do I pay? $21 a month for what, 5 full items? Like, you cannot go wrong with that. But so the plan is to show you guys what I got in my BoxyCharm, and then also to try some of them on, because I've already opened the box because I'm just impatient as fuck. But some of them, well, one of the items in here I can't actually use. Well, I mean, I can, but I'm probably not right now. I'll probably use it later on in the night. But the rest, I'm pretty sure we can go ahead and use. So the first thing is this right here. It takes up the whole box. It is the Dermovia Lace Peel with compression technology. It's a black bamboo charcoal peel off mask, and it looks like this. I'm very interested. There's something in here, like a bottle in here. On the back it shows like a little squeezy tube or something. I don't know. I'll probably try this later on tonight because I've been struggling with my acne, so maybe this will help. It's supposed to be like an exfoliating facial mask, so for deep exfoliation, yeah. There's 2 in here. Okay, cool. Peel intensity level, medium. What does that mean? Does that mean it's like gonna kind of hurt when I peel it off? I don't know. We'll try it though later. Okay, next that I see in here is this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. What is very convenient about this is that I have a waterproof mascara. Actually, I have it right here. It's the Maybelline. Is this Maybelline? Yeah, I believe this one is Maybelline. The Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt. I love the butterfly sculpt, but I didn't realize that I had gotten the waterproof one, so it's very difficult for me to take off by the end of the night. And I don't think waterproof mascara every day is really good for you anyways. So I'm actually happy that I got a new one. Not saying that I'm gonna like it, but I mean, as long as it's not waterproof, I'm kind of okay with that. So the next item in here is this Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Bow and Arrow. This I'm excited about. I don't think I've ever tried a Kat Von D liquid lipstick. Maybe like in Sephora as like a sample or whatever, but I've never bought one before, so I'm excited to try this. Next I have this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I don't think I've ever tried a Briogeo product before, so I'm pretty excited to try this one out. Oh, it's too bright. Let me actually show you guys. Hold on. There you go. So that's what the bottle looks like. So I'm excited to test it out. Last and certainly not least, I have this Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. I don't know how old or new this may be, but it looks like this. So it has like your eyeshadows here, and like your blush and your highlight, bronzer I believe over here. So I'm gonna try and do something with this. This is the only matte shade here. The rest of these are like shimmers. So I don't know what we can do with this, but we gonna have to figure something out. So let's do it. Okay, so to start, I'm going to put my foundation on, and it's the same foundation I've been using for quite a while now, and it's the CoverGirl True Matte Blend, and I'm in shade T30, and I'm just gonna put this as dots all over my face, just like so. So next I'm gonna go in with some concealer. I do wish I had gotten some concealer in my BoxyCharm, but that's right, I'll just pick some up later. Because I'm running out of this Too Faced Born This Way Natural Radiant Concealer. This is in shade Warm Medium, And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this under my eyes. And then on my trouble areas, like so. And I'm just gonna blend that crap out. All right, so now that we have that blended out, next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This is in shade medium, and I'm just gonna set my under eyes. I'm just gonna use my beauty blender, of course. I'm just gonna rub that off with a clean brush. So I'm gonna take my Real Techniques brush here, and I'm just gonna go back into that powder, and I'm gonna put that all over my face. Why I use my beauty blender at first, put that under the eyes, I don't quite know. I just think that it's better to use a beauty blender to go under the eyes rather than a brush, unless you have a really small brush. I'm just gonna set this. So next I'm gonna go into the Masquerade palette from Pure, Midnight Masquerade Face Palette, and I'm gonna take all this peel off. So at first, so just looking at it, I mean, I really don't know what I'm gonna do. This shade right here, this purple shade, it's called Reveal. I don't know what in the hell you can use that as. I mean, probably like eyeshadow, I guess, because I don't think I would want to use that as like a blush or a bronzer, to be honest. So I don't know, let's just get into it, yeah? That's the way. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into Sneak Peek, because it's like the only kind of transition shade that they give you, which is this one here. I'm just gonna go in with a fluffy brush. And I'm gonna put this on the outer corners, just very lightly, and then bring that into a crease. This is my first Pure, I don't know if I've said that yet, but this is my first Pure Cosmetics like palette I've ever used. So I'm pretty freaking amped about it. So I'm just using windshield wiper motions, and I'm going back and forth, looking like I got a black eye already, but that's alright, because I did it to myself. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a smaller brush. I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques brush here, and I'm actually going to go into Reveal, and then I'm going to put that on top of Sneak Peek, just to give me a little bit more definition. Okay, so far this is what's going on my eyes. Obviously I don't have anything on my lid. I'm really torn between like this really beautiful green and this purple to put on my lid. I'm saying we do green. So first I'm gonna try it with the brush. So the green is called Mask Off, just so you guys know. There it is on the brush. I don't know where I put my Fix Plus, but I'm just going to use this Neutrogena Skin Active Soothing Face Mist, and I'm just going to spray that. Hopefully that works. And then I'm going to apply it to the eyeballs. Oh wow. Oh, that's pretty. Ooh. I'm gonna put that right there in the middle of the lid. Oh goodness. I'm not upset. I was actually very afraid of this. I don't know what it is just about these kind of colors. I'm very scared of like these metallic-y out there colors. And you really shouldn't be, but I am. I'm just gonna spray this one more time for the other eye. That is so nice. I actually want to go in with that purple and put it on the inner corner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean this one off because this is actually the only good, is it the only good flat brush I have? Yeah, it is. 1 second. So I'm going to dip into the purple, which is called Disguise, and that is so pretty. Look at that. I'm going to spray it. And we're going to put that on the inner corners. I don't know, can you guys see that? But it's so nice. That is such a nice purple. You know what, because I feel a little daring, I'm actually going to take the blue one, which is called Showtime, which is this one here, and I'm going to put that on the outer. Ooh, or should I do 12 AM? I'm going to go with Showtime. Really nice blue, look at that one. Alright. Then obviously we'll clean it up more towards the end, as in like, you know, go back in with that first color sneak peek and just blend it all out. But right now we're just kind of having some fun. Oh boy. Okay, so for underneath the eyes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this like sort of angled brush here. Bear with me, I'm using my phone. This kind of brush here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the brown. I'm going to smoke it under. Just on the outer corners. I don't usually do the under eyes just because I don't like the look of it. I'm actually just going to bring that all the way in. And then next what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a smaller flat brush, go back into that purple, and then connect them because we have that purple on the inner corner. So I'm going to connect them. I don't know why my eye just got so red. So that's really all I'm going to do for the bottom lashes. What I'm going to do is do my eyebrows also. I'm going to do my eyebrows off of camera, and then I'm going to do my lashes using the Superhero mascara. I'll be right back. Okay, so my eyebrows are done, so I'm going to go ahead and curl these lashes. I do like the bottle, I will say that. It's very sleek, like so. So, I like it. Superhero. Super black. The wand. Smells like your typical mascara. Alright, so this is what it looks like with the mascara on. I think that I might like it on more of a regular day, which is totally fine with me, but with a dramatic look like this, at least this is dramatic for me, I would need something much more bolder, and of course lashes would go very well with this. I'm not going to put any on because I don't have any lashes. Sorry. I'm going to put some on my bottom lashes. Alright, so I have some on my bottom lashes. So last and certainly not least that we have to get into is the rest of the face palette. So we have the bronzer and the highlight as well as the blush. So I'm going to go in with probably the blush. The bronzer has some shimmer to it, and I don't know if I want that. It's very nice. I probably could have used this on my eyes as well, to be honest, but they blend so nice. But what I am going to do is go in with the highlight and the blush rather than that bronzer, because I don't want to be too shiny on my face. So for the blush, I'm going to go ahead and take this Wet n Wild like fluffy brush here, dip into that. That's actually called Hidden Secret. I didn't tell you guys that. That is pink. That is very, very pink. Okay. I'm going to take a fan brush and go into the highlight. The highlight is called Twilight. Probably going to look like a clown. I don't really know if I like the highlight. It's not really doing anything for me. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm going to go into my travel size Too Faced Chocolate Soleil, because I feel like I need some bronzer if I'm going to try and get rid of some of this pink. I'm not really a blush person, but I will try anything, you know? No problem. So let's break into, let me see if I can dim this down just a little bit. It's a little better. We're gonna break into the Kat Von D liquid lipstick. So this is what it looks like here. I think it will go pretty well with this look, since it is more of like a neutral shade. Oh, not neutral, but it's like a nice brown. I do have this Wet n Wild highlight in Blossom Glow, so I'm actually going to use that. Even though it most likely doesn't go with this look, but we need a highlight. Oh yes, that's so much better. Wet n Wild, saving the day. Okay, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I don't know how like my lighting is making it look. On my end, it looks very dark and probably not the best, but I mean, these are colors I never usually work with. I mean, I can probably use obviously like all three of these colors as a lid shade like by itself, but I wanted to try all three. I really like this green shade, so might end up using that one day. So this is the final look. I really hope you guys like this look, or you know, or not. That's totally fine, whatever. You don't have to like it. But thank you guys for visiting my channel. Let me know if you got like the same products in your BoxyCharm, or do you use this palette? How do you use it? I would love to check it out. I'm kind of liking it. I kind of dig it. So yeah, and I do like this liquid lip because it feels very soft and it's light. I really like it. I could wear this on a regular kind of day. The blush, I'm not too sure with. It's too pink for me. I'm not really a blush kind of girl. More of a highlight, bronzer, and that's it kind of day. But whatever. So yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!